Okay, here's a quick look for system administrators on how to set up Google integration in SAFARI Montage. First, I want to note that Google integration is available with the SAFARI Montage Lure license version 6.3, and it requires that SAFARI Montage register the district server URL, and SAFARI Montage tech support staff will set up that URL in advance, so there's nothing required on your part. Now, the key features of the Google integration are direct links to Google Apps that appear on your dashboard, a link to Google Drive, which appears on your Portal Links tab, and the ability to do a federated search in the SAFARI Montage Lure using a Google Drive tab. Now, to activate Google integration, you're going to go into your admin settings, select Interoperability Support in the left-hand menu, and choose Services. Here you'll see Google integration along with any other integrated services. We see NetTracker here. To activate Google, you just click Activate. That's a toggle, so you can activate, deactivate very easily. Once you've activated Google integration, you want to go in and look at the settings. Now, this is all pre-populated. You can see here that there are two checkboxes, one for Google Drive and Apps, and one for Google SSO, single sign-on, allowing users to log into SAFARI Montage with one click using the Sign In with Google button on the login screen. Now, it's important to point out that Google single sign-on is completely separate from the Google Apps on the dashboard and the federated search of Google Drive. Now, this SSO box is unchecked by default. If your district is using Google email addresses with SAFARI Montage user accounts, you can activate Google SSO by checking this box and you're good to go. Or just leave the box unchecked and don't activate the SSO. There are also fields for client ID, secret, host name, all pre-populated. Now, I want to point out that you'll want to confirm that the host name is populated with the fully qualified domain name that's used by all end users for internal and external access to SAFARI Montage. This is the host name that SAFARI Montage technical support will register. And if your environment includes local servers, each server must be registered with SAFARI Montage tech support and configured locally with the fully qualified domain name that's used by all end users at the local school to access SAFARI Montage. If you've made any changes, click Save. Otherwise, you can cancel. And here you have the ability to fine-tune your settings further by going into the Schools setting. This page shows you all of your schools, and it allows you to control integration by individual schools. For Google Drive, that's the Search tab, and Google Apps, those are the dashboard links. You can turn them on and off all at once, or select individual schools and services. And you also have the ability to apply those settings to each school by user type. Now, the default is students and teachers, but you can choose to set that with whatever user type you prefer. Save your settings, and Google integration is set to go.